Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can delete all the virus from your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can delete all of that virus on your Windows. So by deleting all the viruses on your Windows, this can also help your Windows to boost its performance and also to run faster. So let's go quick into the process. First is in the Windows search bar, type here disk cleanup best match, go ahead and click on that. Or you can simply press the Windows key and R button together and type here clean mgr, hit enter. The same window will appear. Now Windows C drive is chosen by default, so you just have to click on OK. Then here in the disk cleanup for Windows, you just have to simply check all of these boxes. This will also free up some space on your Windows, and then click on clean up system files. Windows C drive again is chosen by default. Click on OK. Now the disk cleanup is calculating how much space you'll be able to free for your Windows. Once done, simply close this window. Next method, press the Windows key and R button together to open the Run window, or right click on the Start button and then select Run. Here you need to type prefetch. It's prefetch, Prefetch, and click on OK. Then here, if you find any files in this folder, you just have to simply delete that by clicking on the delete bin at the top. Now I don't have any files in this folder because I have just cleaned my Windows. So in your case, you can simply delete all the contents in this folder. Close this window and press the Windows key and R button together again. This time you need to type TEMP. It's TEMP. Click on OK. Then click on one folder and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and then hit the delete bin at the top. Check this box, do this for all the current items and just click on skip. Now not all of these folders will be deleted, and that is okay because these are used by the programs of your Windows. Then press the Windows key and R button together again. This time you're going to type percentage TEMP percentage and then click on OK. Now the same thing, click on one folder and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and then hit the delete bin at the top. Check this box, do this for all the current items and click on skip. Once done, simply close this window. Then we can also run this software of our Windows. This is a very helpful software that is built into our Windows, or this is already built in the Windows. Type here MRT. In the Windows search bar, type MRT. Click on this under the best match. So this is the Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. This will scan for and automatically removes any prevalent malicious software like the virus and malwares of your Windows. So we are going to click on next. Now there are different scan types right here. We have the quick scan, full scan, and the customized scan. Now if you're in a hurry, you can go with quick scan, but this will only scan areas of the system most likely to contain malicious software. But I'd suggest that you need to go with the full scan. This will scan the entire system. You need to go with the full scan because this will scan the entire system, but this will just take several hours, and that is completely okay. That is totally fine. Click on next. Now this will start scanning for any malicious software or any viruses on your Windows. So this will take several hours. Anyway, you can multitask. While this scan is in progress, you can simply do other things on your Windows, like open a document, because this will not harm this Windows. And once this is done, once this is completely done, I'm not just going to show you the whole video or the whole process, the whole full scan in progress, because this will really take several hours. But anyway, the process is just the same and it's just very easy. So once this is done, you just need to simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And once you have restarted your Windows, then you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button And please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.